Good morning, everyone. Uh, Prophecy, Starseed Bob here. Like to do a little explanation um, of Thompson Park Vortex, what it is exactly. I know it's in the news today, being near Halloween, and it just being renamed an area up there, Area 51, um, because of the connection with Watertown and Area 51, which I brought up with the mayor several years ago, and he couldn't be bothered to listen. Anyways, let's get back to the subject. Thompson Park is what's known as a vortice. A vortice is a portal in space and time. I'll explain it in great detail. There's ley lines all over the earth. These sacred lines are energy lines. They are created naturally through processes of cycles and patterns that we go through the Milky Way galaxy, evolution. Well, anyways, these ley lines, all the ancient pyramids and ancient structures of the world lay on ley lines. Seek it out yourself, look at it, and you'll find the answer there that, yes, that all the ancient pyramids of the world are on ley lines. And why is that? Because they produce energy, and this energy in return can be used. Well, we're not going to talk about that right now. I'm going to explain more in detail about the ley lines. It forms the ley lines around Earth, a sacred pattern called the double star tetrahedron. That's a pyramid over a pyramid, three-dimensionally. This is the structure and how the lines go throughout the world. You can lay a double star tetrahedron over Earth and trace the pattern, and you'll see it. Or you can just, research, Google ley lines, Earth chakras. Earth chakras are the points of where these ley lines meet. The major chakras are larger areas of concentration. The minor chakras, like Thompson Park, is where smaller lines come together. Even though they're within the same, one's more powerful than the other. Well, anyways, it's like a feng shui, you could say. Many people will know what feng shui is. You set up things in a room, and it creates a vibrational pattern. Good, could be negative. But anyways, this creates a feel. And this feel is what all the ancient people wanted to build on. Anyways, Thompson Parks is a minor vortice. It's a portal in space and time. And before we settled Watertown, the Indians were using it. And after Watertown was settled, the occult was using it. It used to be called Pinnacle Hill years and years ago. This is changing. The ley lines and vortices of the Earth, which is connected to Schumann resonance. Anybody can look that word up. It's the vibrational pattern of Earth, the frequency of Earth. This is higher. It's due to our position in the Milky Way galaxy. The closer we get to the Milky Way center, lots of people called it December 21st, 2012. It's the concept. It's a changing. We're going from the stages of the zodiac. We're going to the age of Aquarius. Just like winter to summer, we have these drastic changes. It's the same thing with the zodiacs, but they're 100 times greater, you could say. So, though we could feel the changes just from the position of the sun and how it rotates around. The position of the Earth, how it rotates around the sun, this is so much greater. It's the position of the sun and our planets as it traverses the Milky Way. We just don't stand still. We go around the Milky Way galaxy too, which takes thousands of years. to go into the stages, and these stages go into stages like year goes into year, and they're called fractals. Anyways, enough about fractals. You can look that up too, time fractals. Thompson Park is a vortice. It's a minor vortice. A lot of people are misinformed and think of it differently. It's mathematical. There's equations of consciousness with each sacred geometric shape. You can look that up yourself, people. Research and realize. Everything I said here, it can be researched and realized. Anyways, take care for now. Thompson Park. Realize what it is. It's a vortice, minor chakra of Earth, double star tetrahedron, ley line. Even our ancient ancestors before the Indians were there, giants. Yes, people, go ahead and laugh it up, but look it up. Giants in Jefferson County, New York. They did find remains of giants in Jefferson County, from Rodman to Rutland, in more than one place, and ancient sites thousands of years ago between the last precession. They call it the precession of the equinox. They blame it on the tilt, but it's not the tilt, because we follow these patterns in the sky too, through the Milky Way galaxy, and that brings us above to below the horizon of the Milky Way. So we go from above the elliptical to below the elliptical, and our magnetic core, Earth's magnetic core, follows this. And they call it a pole shift. We've been going through a pole shift now for 10 years. Schumann resonance has been hiring for 30. It's going smooth. Thank God for that. But everything can be explained with the sacred, ancient techniques and traditions of the past. Sacred geometry. It's a wonderful, wonderful subject that's actually the language of the gods. Yeah. This is what creates our reality. Well, love and light, over and out for now. Thompson Park Vortex.